Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
I am fine, thank you. How are you? Thank you.
I'm doing good. Thank you very much. My dear students, I hope all of you are ready with your literature textbook. Part 2. Please make sure about it. Yes. All right. So in the previous session, we have completed discussing the textbook exercises of lesson number 2. Lesson number 10. The second lesson, I mean. Lesson number 10, The Pied Piper of Hamelin. I have sent you the notes for you to cross-check. Have you been able to do that? Did you check whether you have written all the notes correctly?
Yes.
Yes, all of you have done that? All right. What about the second value-based question? Nihal, unmute your device and tell me the answer to that. What answer have you written for the second value-based question? Nihal, unmute please.
The mayor.
Yeah, read the question and then tell me the answer. I have instructed all of you to write it in your own words, right? So please tell me what is the answer that you have written. Nihal, unmute. Yes?
Why did the Pied Piper
No.
take the tea?
The second value-based question. Second one.
If you were
Not were. If you were the mayor,
would you have kept
the promise.
why?
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. The first answer is yes. And now you need to answer the question why. Why do you think so?
Because I am promised him.
Because I have promised him.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Because we must always keep our promises. That is the correct way for it to be done. Okay? Because we all must, each one of us must keep our word, keep our promise. Because that is the correct way of doing it. All right, Nihal?
Yes.
Good, thank you. Yes, Krishna, try.
Amen.
Try to give me the second value-based questions answer. Yes, Krishna?
If you were the mayor, would you have keep the promise?
Kept.
Kept the promise?
Mm.
Why?
Mm.
Yes.
Yes. Now tell me the answer. Why?
The Pied Piper did his work, so he must be paid for that.
Fantastic. Why don't you just repeat it so that everybody will be able to hear and understand it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
The Pied Piper did his work, so he must be paid for that.
Yes, the Pied Piper helped the people of Hamelin, so he must be paid for that work, right? Very good, brilliant answer. Okay, very good. Keep it up, my dear. Okay, anybody else wants to share what answer they have written for the value-based question number 2? Anybody else likes to share their answer here? If anybody has written something different other than what is discussed here, you can share your answer here.
Ma'am, Evina.
Evina, okay, try Evina, go ahead. Come on, be fast.
Which one?
The value-based second question, page number 15. I have instructed the students to do it on their own, that one.
If you were the mayor, would you have kept the promise? Why?
Yes. What is your answer? Arnav, put the device properly. I cannot see you. Yes, Evina, give the answer first.
I didn't write.
Then You only asked me, right? May I give the answer? That means you're not listening, Evina. Okay, no problem. Complete it and then let me know about it. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. My dear students, I request everybody to move to page number 16 now. Page number 16. Today we are going to...
We're gonna play the crossword game.
Yes, language game. Language game. This is actually called the language game. And the game is called the crossword puzzle. Crossword puzzle. Here we need to find out who are we? Who are we? All right. This is a photograph of a statue of the Pied Piper in Hamelin, Germany. Now, use the given hints to complete the Pied Piper crossword puzzle. Let us try to read the hints down and across. I will be explaining these to you. Evelyn, please read the first one in the down column. Down. Read number 1.
We were kept
Kept. Kept is the past tense of which word?
keep.
Keep. Yes, very good. We were kept.
We were kept inside
The
the mountain
mountain.
by the Pied Piper.
By the Pied Piper. Okay, let us see. This is down, number 1. Down. See, number 1, it moves down. Did you notice it? Down. Did you understand how to do it? Yes. Now, Evelyn, tell me the answer for that. We were kept inside the mountain by the Pied Piper. Who were kept inside? Who were kept inside?
Children.
Who said children's? Is that the right word?
Children.
The plural is children. Child, children. Okay, very good. So let us complete it. It will be better if you write in capital letters. CHILDREN. Children. Did you understand the meaning of down now? Down.
Yes.
1, down. Please write it correctly. Otherwise, we will not get it properly. Thank you, Evelyn. Good effort.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Bennett, try the second one down. Read it.
Yes, ma'am. I did not pay the Pied Piper his money.
I did not pay the Pied Piper his money. 2, down. Tell me the answer.
Mayor.
Mayor. Yes, very good. MAYOR. You have to do this very carefully. If you get even a single letter wrong, the position of even a single letter wrong, you will not be able to complete the puzzle. Okay, thank you, Bennett. Ritika, let's move to the third one. Sorry. The third one, across.
We are the animals that trouble the people of Hamlet.
Yes. Who are we? We are the animals.
Rats.
Rats, very good. So 3, across. Across means from one side to the other side. Did you notice across?
Yes.
R-A-T-S. The letter A is already there. If it is written in the correct position, then only we will be able to complete the crossword. Understood?
Yes.
Everyone? Okay. Albrin, read the next one. Number 4.
Yes, ma'am. I have
I know.
I know a
Hmm.
scale
secret.
secret charm
Secret charm. Yes.
to get rats
Two. Nobody else will read in between, please.
of rats.
To get rid of rats. First, why don't you tell me the meaning of get rid of? What is the meaning of get rid of?
Ma'am, my finish.
Please don't say finish, finished in between, okay? Those who have finished, well and good. Yes, Albrin. Tell me the meaning of get rid of. I must have said this around 25 times in this class, right? Get rid of, get rid of. Do you remember?
Ma'am.
No? Who remembers the meaning of get rid of?
Piper. Pied Piper.
Get rid of. The Pied Piper got rid of the rats. Okay.
From a problem.
Yes, to make someone free of a problem or from a problem. Yes, very good, Advait PM. Yes, Albrin, tell me the answer. I know a secret charm to get rid of the rats. Oh, were you giving me the answer?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Say the spelling then.
Charm.
Sorry? Say the spelling of Pied Piper.
P.
Hmm? Yes. I. E is already there. Then Pied. D. Which letter says D? Yeah, D. Then Pied. Piper.
P.
P.
I.
Continue fast. Piper. P. P. E. Which letter says E?
E.
E. R.
R.
R. It's already there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, we have been able to complete the puzzle. What about you? Completed, everybody?
Yes,
So that's why I said this has to be done carefully. Even if one letter goes wrong, even if the position changes, we will not be able to complete the puzzle. So this needs to be done very carefully. Okay? Has everybody completed? May I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Please show it to me. All of you. All of you need to show whether you have done it correctly or not. Yes, very good. Well done. What about the others? What about the others?
Completed.
Completed? Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, let us move to the next exercise that we are going to do today. That is reading comprehension. Reading comprehension. For that, I want you to take page number 8. Please move to page number 8. Page number 8. Reading comprehension are 3. Did everybody get the right page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, reading comprehension are 3. I want all of you to have a look at the image or the picture given there. Checked it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you have to tell me the answers. We will discuss it. Yeah, kindly mute your devices, my dear ones. Chaitanya, unmute your device and read the first one. Number 1, on page number 8. I cannot hear you. No, I think it's not connected.
We can
Yeah.
see
Hmm.
dash flags on the palace.
Please read the options as well.
E1,
Hmm.
B2, C3, D4,
Fantastic. Please tell me the correct answer.
C3.
C3. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. And we need to write which letter here in the box?
C.
C. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Azaria, the second one.
Okay, ma'am. The king and the queen rook dash.
Yes. Options.
Option A sad, option B angry, option C happy, option D
Surprise.
sub, sub, sub,
Surprised. 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 Repeat the word.
surprise.
Surprised. Yes, very good. Tell me the answer.
Happy.
Option C, happy. Yes. So we need to write the answer in the blank space as well. Okay. For the first one, the correct answer is 3. So please write 3 in the blank. Then put a tick mark on option C. For the second one, the correct answer is happy. Write happy in the blank and put a tick mark on option C once again. And write C here. Do it step by step so that you don't miss out to do any particular activity. Well done, Azaria. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Karthik, read the third one.
The king and the queen are standing in front of the palace.
Others mute.
Standing in front of place.
Dash.
Place.
Read the word. Is it place? No. Read it properly. P-A. Palace. Yes, very good. Palace. Okay, now tell me. Read the options. A.
There.
Option A there. Read like that. See how the others have read. They read it beautifully, both of them. The same way. Option D.
Is
Then
here.
say option C.
Option C.
Option C. Her.
Her.
Then what is the next one?
D.
Option D. Very good.
R.
R. Yes, very good. Now tell me the correct answer. The king and the queen are standing in front of dash palace.
There.
There. Very good. The correct word to be used is there. T-H-E-I-R. There. So what is the correct option? Karthik, which option is the correct one?
A.
A, yes. So please write A in the blank. Thank you, Karthik.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Let's move to the next one. Anurag, please read the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. The king and the queen are wearing dash.
Okay. Option.
Option A, hat. Option B,
Turbans. Turbans.
Option C,
Caps.
option D, crowns.
Crowns.
Option
Crowns.
C, crowns.
Let us go back to the king and the queen. What are they wearing?
Crown.
They are wearing crowns on their heads. Did you notice what color are the crowns?
Yellow.
Yeah, golden, golden, right? So write the word crowns. And the correct option is option D. Thank you, Anurag. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Wilfred, read the fifth one. Wilfred, fifth one.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Wilfred, read the fifth
What
one.
is the meaning of?
What is the meaning of?
What is the meaning of number B?
Option B, turbans. Okay.
Yes.
Good question. Very good. Who's that? Who's asking that question?
Azaria.
Azaria, have you seen the people of Punjab? The Sikh people? They wear a long cloth-like thing on their head.
Yes.
Do you watch the news? That is called a turban. Turban.
I.
Okay.
Yes.
In the next class, I'll try to show you an image of the turban.
Yes.
Okay. It is worn by men.
Ma'am, I know. I have the.
Uh,
I
Yeah, please read the fifth one.
have the photo of.
Wilfred. Continue reading.
There is a
Hmm.
dash in front of,
Of the.
people.
No, don't guess the word. Read it. P-A-L-A-C-E. Palace. Palace.
Palace.
Palace. Okay. What is there in front of the palace? Read the options. Wilfred, read the options.
Lion.
Option A,
Lion.
lion. Option B,
Bird.
read option B like that. Option B, stream.
Tree.
Bird is option C. Look and read. Option
Yes.
C, bird. Option D,
Option B.
C-L-O-U-D.
Cloud. Cloud.
Cloud, yes. So tell me what is there in front of the palace?
Cloud.
In front. In front. See this blue colored.
Stream.
Yes, you're right. It's a stream. It's a stream. Did everybody see the stream in front of the palace? The clouds are above the palace. Above.
Yes.
In front of the palace is the stream. This blue in color is the water. Flowing water of the stream. Understood, Wilfred?
Yes.
Yes. So let us write stream. S-T-R-E-A-M. Stream. And the correct answer is option B. Okay. Thank you, Wilfred. Bennett, let's move to picture 2. Read option number 1.
Yes.
Observe the picture as you are reading.
Yes, ma'am.
The first one.
The children are painting the wall.
Options.
A2, B3, C4, D5.
Yes. How many children are painting the wall?
2.
2. Yes, very good. The others are playing. What are the others doing?
Playing.
Playing. They are throwing color at each other. Only 2 children are painting properly. So the correct answer will be option A, 2. Thank you, Bennett. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Krishna, read the second one.
The child in the green t-shirt is the
is dash. Option A.
Option A, painting. Option B, running. Option C, standing. Option D, hiding.
The
Option D,
child in the green t-shirt.
hiding.
Sorry?
Running.
Krishna, tell the answer. Others will not speak.
Option D,
Uh,
option D, hiding.
hiding. This is the green t-shirt. What is she doing? She is not hiding.
Running.
Running. Yes. She is running. So the correct answer is option B. Running. Must observe the picture correctly and write the correct answer in the blank. Running. The child in the green t-shirt is running.
Ma'am, Tirtha wants to read.
Okay, Tirtha, read the third one.
Dash children are playing Holi.
Okay. Options.
Option A.
Not A. Option A. Option B.
Option B, and in option C, them, and option D, the.
Okay. So which will be the correct one?
Option D, the.
Fantastic. THE. The children are playing Holi. Children will be used only. Children is not possible, right? Is used only when one. We are talking about one of a kind. An is used only in words. In front of words starting with.
Ma'am, we have to do this.
E-I-O.
An is used. Yes. What are they? A, E, I, O, U?
Vowels.
Vowels. Yes. Okay. Them is not right. The correct answer is the. There will be confusing options. So you must read all the answers properly. Okay. All the options properly. Muhammad Ali, read the next one. Number 4.
Thank you, ma'am.
Muhammad Ali, read fast. Okay, Tirtha, good effort.
King and queen.
No, number 4 on page number 10. Children
Children use to
dash to make
make
colored water. Colored water.
Colored water.
Okay. Option A, crayons.
Crayons.
Option B. Yeah, read it.
Colored powder.
Vegetable. Vegetable color. Option C.
Colored powder.
Option D.
Salt.
Salt. Okay, so the correct answer is, you are right. You said colored powder, right?
Colored powder.
Colored powder. Yes, very good. Colored powder. Okay. Now the next one, we are running short of time, so I will read it. We play Holi. The 5th one. We play Holi using water balloons and dash. Sticks, fire, water guns or stones.
Water gun.
Water guns. Yes, very good. W-A-T-E-R, water, G-U-N-S. So the correct answer is once again option C. Okay? My dear students, I hope all of you have understood how to solve the comprehension passages. Let me stop sharing. I will be sending the same notes to you so you can check whether you have marked the answers correctly or not. Have you been able to understand how to do it?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So, all right, my dear children. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.